The economy is evolving. More people than ever are working from home, starting their own business, and taking control of their future. Social, technological, and economic trends are changing everything, creating a new economy based on disruptive innovation. At Legal Shield, we embrace the dreamers by offering them an opportunity to get in front of innovative trends and to become part of a disruptive business model that provides meaningful earning potential.
Uber changed the transportation industry. Amazon changed how we shop, moving us to a more virtual experience when shopping for everyday goods. And companies like Netflix allowed us to cut the cord and take control of our entertainment choices. Entire industries have been forever changed through disruptive innovation. And I had to ask myself, what would my family's life be like if I was positioned to profit from the disruptive changes to those industries? With Legal Shield, I have that answer.
Legal Shield offered me the opportunity to share and market services that can truly make a difference in people's lives. I feel like I'm a part of an innovative and disruptive force that is providing millions in the US and Canada with access to the legal services they deserve, including identity theft protection and privacy and reputation management. And it's incredible to be part of such a powerful mission.
Legal Shield has provided me with an incredible opportunity for meaningful income potential through the compensation plan, while also providing exciting opportunities to earn trips and bonuses and the trips I get to go on with my business partners and my friends, the ability to create an incredible residual income that not only pays me now, but also in the future and even future generations of my family. And what I love most about Legal Shield, if I really had to summarize all of it, is really the ability to empower and protect others with the legal services that people need in order to live a full life.
We live in an information age, and information can go both ways. That's why Legal Shield is so important, because you want to have access to great information so that we can make great decisions every single day, make smart decisions. But at the same time, we also need to know who's controlling our information. Who's accessing our information? Who are they selling it to? How are they using it? And that's why ID Shield is so important. Because not only through ID Shield do you have access to monitoring and identity theft restoration, but you also have access to ID Shield's privacy and reputation management tools, which allows you to know how your information is being used, and most importantly, take back control of your privacy and your life.
Today, Legal Shield protects over 4.4 million people across the United States and Canada. And the opportunity to benefit from this new economy is backed by a community of tens of thousands of motivated people from all different backgrounds, just like you.
For us, it was all about surrounding ourselves around like-minded people, professional individuals, right, who want to continuously push us to the next level.
Yes.
And really grow within an opportunity professionally, as well as mentally, socially, right? So I love the fact here, guys, that we can actually have fun in doing what it is that we do and make a difference while we're doing it.
Absolutely. We never dreamed to be in an opportunity like this, to be part of such an amazing, powerful mission, providing equal access to everyone across the United States and Canada. Opportunities like this don't come along every day.
Yeah, it's amazing.
There's never been a more exciting time to join Legal Shield. Our time is now.